This exam application tutorial is on the Group 7 halogens, and the question for 6 marks: compare the physical and chemical properties of chlorine, bromine, and iodine. So, how do these elements look different, physical properties, and compare their reactivity, chemical properties? So let's start off with chlorine. Chlorine is a toxic, pale green gas. Bromine is a toxic, volatile, brown or orange liquid. Volatile means it very easily turns from a liquid to a gas. Iodine is a grey solid. This is, of course, assuming that we're at room temperature. Iodine sublimes to produce purple vapors. So in other words, the iodine will go from a solid to a gas state without turning into a liquid first, but the gas it produces is purple. Students often get confused and say iodine is a purple solid. It's not. It's grey, but the vapors are purple. So that's the physical properties. Now let's look at the chemical properties. Chlorine is the most reactive, then bromine, then iodine. They also all form diatomic molecules. Their molecules have 2 atoms chemically bonded together. So chlorine will always be Cl2, bromine will always be Br2, iodine will always be I2.